Yo, good morning, guys. Welcome. One sec. I like this draft today. So hold up, guys. So I'll do. Let me quickly share the link to everybody. Don't worry, I'm already monitoring the chat. So I guess I have. Yo, yeah. So today is my birthday. Sounds weird, but basically that's today. So I like the fact that my birthday is at the beginning of the year. It just makes me prepared for the year. So basically like I'm just entering a new era. You understand? So that's how we roll. And basically, even the fact that we've been getting back to back wins so far this year, no single loss again. One, two, three, three wins. Although I missed this one yesterday just because I wasn't looking at the charts very actively. So that was just the only thing yesterday. So thanks for the wishes, guys. I don't know what to do today. I don't even know. I guess I don't even know. I honestly, I'm just kind of confused because I've already set a lot of goals this year and so much work to do. So I don't know if I should go out, I should go and chill, or I should just stay indoors and continue working. You gap. So I don't even know. Or maybe I'll go out. I think I'll be withdrawing some cash. I'm thinking of funding a live account this morning, then trading it. Any profit I make, I'll just go and give it out. Maybe then post it on my YouTube channel, something like that. Maybe that will make more sense. So I don't know. You can let me know what you think. Let me quickly share the links. If you have not shared the link, make sure you share it as well. I'm getting the link ready so I can share. That's my thoughts for today, basically. So I've not done the top-down analysis yet. I want everybody to join in before I do the top-down analysis. So I'm trying to share the link. Okay. So sorry guys for the quiet. So I've been sharing the link so everybody can join in. So we're almost done. Today's analysis on gold two is still basically like the same thing of yesterday, day before yesterday. I like I like the way this week is going basically. You get so we've been getting nice setups. Nice setups. Nice setups. So I don't know, did anybody on my Telegram channel was anybody able to take that trade yesterday? Okay, so I'm done. I'm done sharing the link. So let's get started, yeah? With the top down analysis. Let me just take this out. I just put this here so that people joining in will be able to understand what's what I'm thinking. Yeah, so the same thing, yeah. The same thing that we do that we used to get all these wins, yeah, is the same thing we're gonna do this morning now. So you just pay attention. So you just start from the weekly time frame. Yeah, we just start from the weekly time frame. Just like this. Okay. This is you remember yesterday, I'll be on Monday. On Monday I pointed out this high. So I still feel like this weekly high is the main target. This weekly high is the main target for this week. That's what we're going to take out. That's why I still feel like so on the lower time frame we can use it for potential targets like you have. So go to the daily time frame. We see very clean daily reaction here, reacting off this daily order block that we saw on Monday. I think we saw this on Monday. Then we're also reacting off this daily fair value gap. So basically, everything just looks very bullish. And I think I also marked out this daily fair value gap that is above here. That is a juicy target. So buys are just very nice at this period. Yeah, buys buying is very nice. So let's continue. So basically we rejected this block. Okay, there's relatively equal highs here that price could go and take out. Everything just looks kind of bullish. But we can't just start entering buys yet. We have to try to figure out okay, where is the best spot to enter. Let's say if I was swing trading, I've already seen a setup here right now, very clean. Something I used to teach my students, basically the 2022 model entry, which is basically like the price is going down, forming lower lows, forming lower lows. Then we can consider once we change of structure, when there's a change of structure, a market structure shift, anyone, I don't know, all of them are just names. You can just pick one you want to call it, or break of structure. Okay, let's call it break of structure here. So once there's a break of structure here, then we'll consider this a liquidity sweep. Consider this a liquidity sweep. I will advise you as you're learning, make sure you mark it out like this on your chart. Mark it out. So we'll consider this a liquidity sweep. We'll consider this the break of structure. Then wait for the retracement into the fair value gap. Then we buy here. So that's like the simple model entry like I thought. So the same thing here. Look at it. It was forming right here. That's exactly what. Can you see? I look at how it even fits in. That's exactly what's forming there. Exactly, no doubt. You can see this. We can consider this now our liquidity sweep because that was a low. We can consider this as our change of character or break of structure. Then we can consider this to be our fair value gap of entry. Our fair value gap of sorry, our fair value gap of entry here on the 1 hour. So let's say I was trading swing I was swinging trading like swing trading. I would have been on a buy right from there. Then I'll aim for these highs for 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So but this will take like a long time to happen. But me, I like to be in and out quickly within 4 hours, 5 hours, I'm done. So what do? I have to go to lower time frame and look for something that fits my style of entry. Um, Very quick move. So this 50 minutes usually our golden time frame. Our golden time frame gap. So there's a fair value gap here on the 15 minutes that price could touch. I would have loved if price had actually come down here first, and then go up. Then go up. Then I'll look for a buy around here. I would have loved that. That would have been very clean. Yeah, that would have been very clean. That would have been very clean. So, but unfortunately, it didn't play out that way. So, but there's no problem. The only thing now is that if a buy setup comes around here, there will be a little fear that it might come and tap this fair value gap and take our stop loss. tap it, then continue going on. So that's why my stop loss is usually wide on gold to protect things like this, to protect things like that. So, but basically, this is the bias here. Why we understand that price is bullish, but we're still open. We're still open to a bearish market. So we're not just fixated on one direction. So how are we going to frame the buy setup like we usually do? How are we going to frame a buy now? Very simple. You just have to mark out this high. The high that you are marking out must be on the 15 minutes, and it must be before 9 o'clock. Like the high must have formed before 9 o'clock, and it must be on the 15 minutes. So it's time based and price based. So you don't just mark out any high. So this high formed around 8 o'clock sharp. So this is 9 o'clock here. So that high is the high, it's my structural high that I'm waiting for price to take out before I execute a buy. For the sell setup, okay, let's finish the buy here. So how do I execute the buy? Once we take out those high, we trace into any fair value gap on the, that's one of the lessons I learned this year. Even though I've not taken any losses, I've learned about two lessons. So somebody was asking me to share the lesson. So if you are here on the live stream, good for you. I'm going to share the lesson now. Number one is basically, even though I've taken a win on that day, even though I've taken a win in the morning, I'm still permitted to take another trade. I had this rule since last year, but since it's a new year, I don't know. I just like reset something like that. So basically, this is it. This is like on Monday. I took this win on Monday, but I didn't take this other trade. I gave it in my Telegram channel. I gave it in my Telegram channel. Yeah, I gave it in my Telegram channel. This trade, I gave this one. I mean, sorry, this second one, because I took this win, $200 take profit on this one, but this one I gave it in my Telegram channel, so I didn't take it. So that's one of the lessons I learned, to capitalize on my trades, not be too content. So there are some people that they are greedy. There's a problem in trading that you are too greedy. There's also a problem in trading that you are too content, like you are too managing. If you are too content, you're not going to make enough money. If you are too stingy to like risks, you're not going to make that money that you came for trading to make. You understand? So that was one of the lessons I learned this week, not to be too content. This lesson might be, it's not like it might not apply to you because you might be too greedy now. So you might be too greedy, so you have to take the opposite route of taking one trade a day. For me, I've been able to discipline myself to the point where I can take two trades maximum a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. If I would have taken these two, I know how much I would have like made that day. So but I didn't take it. Second lesson was basically checking out multiple time frames. So this was yesterday's trade. I think I posted it in the Telegram channel. Yeah, the entry came on the 5 minutes, but I wasn't able to see it because I was doing other things. I was not monitoring it and all that. So that's one second lesson. Monitor the charts after you have set your limit order, because limit order can mess you up. This thing can come and touch your limit order, then not tap you in. But if you are watching, once price gets to that your limit and it's touching your limit order, but spread is not letting it fill, you can execute by yourself, delete the limit order and execute. So that's like the second lesson I learned. So those two will help me become a better trader this year. So we're always learning. Even though there's no loss, we still have to learn. So basically, this is the buy setup. You can see it's almost forming. It's almost forming. The problem now is like, where am I going to set my stop loss? Because of this fair value gap down here, I'm afraid to set my stop loss below this low gap. So I will set my stop loss below the fair value gap there. So the stop loss around 72 pips. That's a lot, right? I think if you're using 0.01, it should be like $7.2. In Naira, that's how much? $7. That should be around 13, 15K. I mean, so I'll just aim for times two here. I'll just aim for times two. So that will be the buy scenario. What about the sell scenario? Yeah, the sell scenario has to form like this. We have to mark out. Okay, some people might be thinking, okay, you have to mark out this low. No, but we're not going to use that low because this is the main structure here. This from here to here is the main structure. I'm not counting this one because there's a fair value gap that has not filled here. So because it's possible we might come and fill this gap and continue going up. So to avoid things like that, how do we frame our sell setup? I'm taking this low, I'm using that low, and I have to see price come down here. I have to see price come down here, take out that low, retrace into a fair value gap. The fair value gap must not be on the 15 minutes. If it but it must not be on the 15 minutes, and it's not. I'm not taking 1 minute fair value gaps because it has put me in a lot of trouble. Like it will work, it will hit my take profit, but I will enter too early at the price is not very nice. So fair value gap you should be looking for will be on the 3 minutes and the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes. Those three, that's the one you should be looking for. So once I get that one, I'll take the sell downwards. I'll take the sell down to. I just have to look left to see any nice area. So this is liquidity here. I can take it down there. I'll just take it two times two. So that will be the sell setup. And just like this, I don't know if you have been on the live stream yesterday. If you have been on the live stream today, I mean, sorry, if you have been on live streams on Monday, Tuesday, you will notice that this is exactly what we do. This is exactly what I do. I just frame this to and I'll send it to my Telegram group that this is the outlook for today. Once one play out, it just goes like it's so freaking. It's so simple. Look at it. It worked yesterday. It worked on Monday. It worked on Tuesday, and I'm also believing today is gonna work again. So I'm also believing today is going to work again. So although it might not come early, it might come around 11:30, at most 12:30 is going to come and hit the fair value gap. Yeah, today on I feel like today will come maybe around 11 because we're close to taking out this high. So the time it will use to take out the high and retrace, it will be like 11:30. Then the entry will be around there. I'm really getting used to it. You understand? So let me quickly share my screen and post it on my Telegram. So okay, I'm sharing the entire screen. Uh, okay, this today one is sharp. It has already taken out those highs. So clean. Or more. Imagine I held this trade. Okay, no. This one. Imagine I held this one since on Monday. You know how many pips is that? That's the crazy man. For we won't reach like how many pips now? Let me check. If I held it, it would have been like how many pips is that? About 300 pips. About 300 pips. If I don't catch like 300 pips, if I held that trade from Monday. But basically, no. All we just look for is times two here. So that was it. So let me quickly post this. These lines are getting too much. Let me delete the lines we're not using. So I want to mark let me mark this out for let's say liquidity grab, yeah. So that's where the liquidity grab happened. Blue, I'll put it at the bottom center. So this is our breakout structure, POS. I don't mark out. I think when I was learning, yeah, about 2 years ago or maybe 1 year ago, that's when I used to mark out all those stuff. It's fun to mark it out. I will advise you to do it too. It's very fun to mark out those stuff. I don't mark it out again. I just see it. I just see it and that's it. Even favorite gaps, I hardly mark it out, but it just used to make your chart look fine if you mark it. Like okay, let me write it. FVG. And then it says I'll take it to the right hand side, make it a bit bigger. Okay, yep. So this is our outlook for today. Very simple. What I used to kill gold every single day. That's our outlook for today. Telegram. Make sure you join Telegram if you have not. Also, if you have questions, drop it in the comment section. And I think let me check. Let me check. I think Willis Capital they are still giving out the 50% off. I don't know. I think they are still giving it out because I got mine yesterday. I got a 5K yesterday, as you can see it here. This is a $5,000 account. This one I got it here. I'm not trading it yet. It's just my backup account because as I told you guys, my weekly videos on YouTube. I said I'm going to be very aggressive this year. So I'm going to be very aggressive this year. So I might be losing profile accounts easily. I might be losing profile account easily. So I have to have a backup. So this is my backup with this capital account. I told you guys to grab it yesterday, right? So they gave you 50% off. So instead of paying like 70, I'll be 80K. I just paid like 30 something K for this 5K account. So let me quickly check if the discount is still on. So remember, if you want to get the discount, okay, I've not dropped the link. Let me quickly let me get the link. All these birthday wishes as they joke. Nobody don't ask for my account number. Nobody don't ask for my account number. I'm still thinking of what to do today. What to do about my birthday today. I don't know. Thinking of going out, thinking of like maybe doing giveaway, but I don't want to do giveaway online. I don't even have much money self, so I'll just okay. Where's the shit? I want to do it physically. Okay, how much is the 5K account? Yeah, let me show you. This is the let me get the link first of all and drop it in the comments. Is that sound okay? The sound is still playing. I just turned down the volume a bit. I think it's better. So that's the link to the profile here, and let me show you how it is. This is where when you get into here, you click on enroll. Then you don't have to put the discount code. This is the $5,000 account I got yesterday. See, I'm supposed to pay like 75K, yeah, 75,000 naira for it. But if you use Aaron Tech FX at the affiliate code, then you come here. I don't know this New Year discount for 50% is supposed to last for 48 hours. I don't know if it's still on. Okay, it's still available. Good for you. So it's still available. I don't know how long they're gonna leave it for, but you basically instead of paying 75K, you pay half 37K, and you get yourself a $5,000 profit account. There's also $3,000, $10,000, $10,000, 25, $50,000 again. So $50,000 cost around like 600K or so. $100,000, yeah. So $450. But I'll advise you guys just get the 5K. If you don't have money, you can manage the $3,000 account. If you don't have money, you can manage a $3,000 account. You just come. The $3,000 is 35K, $35, which is the conversion rate is here 58,000. So you just put Aaron Tech FX, then you put New Year 50, then you apply the code, cut it into half. So you're paying 29 for the 3K account. That's it. So I've gotten mine yesterday. I've gotten mine yesterday. Here it is. I'm not going to trade it. I'm just going to leave it. Although I can't leave it idle for more than 21 days. So I'll be checking. If it gets to like 20 days, I'll go and place like one small trade. Yeah. But I doubt it's gonna get to like 20 days because the way I'm going with the other accounts, I might just um be able to trade this one soon enough. Okay, so I think somebody said I should check out Solana. Solana, right? Okay, somebody wants to see the rules. Do you have news rules? Okay, news rules, yeah. They don't have any news rules. They don't have any news rules. Like you can trade during news. Let me show you so I'll not just be like I'm talking. Where is the program? So let me show you their rules. So this is program rules and guidelines. Uh, so this is the program rules and guidelines here. You can see no restrictions. Let me zoom that in. There are no restrictions, trading news events on all programs offered by Release Capital. This applies to asset class on offers. See, you can trade news. That's the thing. That's you can trade news. You can trade news, and their discount is still on 50%. Wow, better grab it too. So that's it. Solana, okay. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, or give the video a like if you have already subscribed. Solana, right? Solana. So USDT. Right? Wow. Come on. Why is it going down like this? That's not like looked at crypto because right now crypto market is not. It's not even. It's just being control manipulated. Since Trump is coming into power soon, I feel like this dip in Solana is good to buy. Like just buy and hold. The dip is good to buy. Like maybe I could even buy some Solana like that. It's nice. It's a nice point to just buy and hold. I'm not talking about trading it on futures. I'm not talking about trading it like this. So I'm just saying buying it as an investment. But let me analyze it like I'm analyzing gold. What is this? So basically, yeah, there's nothing much here. This is the other block that is rejecting on the weekly time frame. It's also rejecting a fair value gap on the weekly time frame. This is it. So there's nothing there. It's going to buy. It's going to take. It's going back to its all-time high for sure. It's going back to its all-time high. That is sure. daily time frame too. Okay, there's something here on the daily time frame that is rejecting. Yeah, so it's rejecting that area though, but it can still reject here and go up. Even though it goes like this, it can still do like this. So me, I don't like for now. I like to enter sharp sharp and get out sharp sharp. So if I'm looking for an entry, I'll be looking for it on the lower time frame. Right now it's still pouring. It's still pouring down. So I will just wait for a market structure shift or a change of character. Let's say it's still going, it still continues going. I will not join it. I will not join the move down. I will wait for a change of structure, a break of structure. Then I will buy. I'm not going to join it down. I'm going to wait for it to finish its down move because the down move might not be too long again. So I'm not going to join it. I'll wait for it to finish going down. Okay, someone is asking if I'll be trading NFP. Someone is asking if I'll be trading NFP. Obviously not. I can if I want to, but hmm, the way I trade NFP, I'll just fund account. I'll just fund a live account and play with it. If it goes well, if it doesn't go well, though, that's it. But trading it like with capital, like with capital that I'm serious about, nah, it's not part of my strategy. So I only trade what is in line with my technique, what is in line with my strategy, what makes me money. So that's what I trade. If it's not in line with my strategy, I'm not trading it. And my rule self is that on NFP day, I don't trade in the morning. So on Friday, which is NFP, I'm not going to be live streaming. I'm not going to be live streaming in the morning because there's usually something. The news is already they have already planned it. You get they have already planned the news. They know if he wants to go up or if he wants to go down. So what happens during the mornings of NFP days? Something like this. It will show you break of structure. It will come. It will take it out. It will show you another change of character. Take it out. It will show you this. Show you that. It will just be doing anyhow until just keeping price in one area until when it's 1:30 or 2:30. It will just go boom to the direction of the day that he wanted to go to in the first place. So this is where I'm avoiding. I'm avoiding here. So that's why I don't trade in the mornings. Though I think a year ago, 2 years ago, when I was learning, I obviously used to lose a lot of money in this area. I always used to lose a lot of money around here until I was able to discipline myself not to trade during those points, during those times. So I just wait for after the news. So once it's after the news, by 3:30, there's usually a reversal that happens. If the reversal shows up, I'll take it. So if it doesn't show up, that means there's no trade for the entire day. Okay, the affiliate code, as I said earlier, to purchase the account. Once you're on the screen to purchase the account, yeah. Once you're there, you just have to write Aaron Tech FX. That's the code. That's the code. Then you now use New Year 50 again. So you are using this code, these two codes, Aaron Tech FX. Then you're using New Year 50. Then you apply it. You see they'll cut it into half. You see that this half, like you're paying half. Ambrosie Pips. I'm just seeing that person here for the first time. So if you are just joining for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Um, Leave a like, comment. Okay, I've already dropped a comment. Subscribe, just subscribe because I think I'll be dropping a video today. about how you can purchase this perfume, like how you can make the payment and all that stuff. So you will not want to miss it. You can see my channel. So let me go to the video section. You can see there are a lot of videos that I drop a lot every week. So it's not just about trading. Okay, so gold is still playing out. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm going to wait for it. The RIX is like 72 pips. So if you are using the lowest lot size, if you are using the lowest lot size, around 7.2, $7.3. I'm thinking of doing it. I'm thinking of funding an account and just trying to flip it. That should be like 12K. Any money I make from it, I'll just use it to do giveaway today, or just go and give it out. So I'm still confused though. Okay, how long have we been here? Okay, it's not up to an hour. It's still pushing. It hasn't break yet. We're still safe. What's this? Okay, gradually. Well, I'm not. The weeks doesn't don't count. So the week don't count. That's why there's no setup yet. Well, you can suggest your peers, the pair you want me to check out. Can suggest it in the comment. In the comments. Okay, let me share my. Oh, they go. If you want me to check any peers, just suggest it. Just let me know in the comment section. Because we're done with the analysis on gold. If you are just joining and you don't know what we analyze on gold, you can rewind. You can rewind the video. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, somebody say Euro USD, but gold is already okay. We just had that break now, and we have the close. So next, what we're looking for is a fair value gap. All we're looking for now is the fair value gap. Okay, the setup is about to form. I have not funded my account. I was thinking of funding an account. Let me just flip it today. I don't know. Okay, somebody suggesting SJ Forex GBP. Time don't go already. It's already late. But let me see what I can do on your year. I don't want to miss this gold setup. Let me check it out ASAP. I'm not going to do a top down analysis. I'm just going to look at it. Okay, Dapo Will is already projected a drop on the higher time frame for Euro USD. You know he's a swing trader, so he has already projected Euro USD this year going like this. So I know they use that man analysis play. Although I don't trade it, but I'm just telling you in case you are a swing trader here, there should be a drop. There should be a drop on Euro. So, but that's not my business now. What I'm looking for. Okay, just find a way to join the move down. This could have been an entry. 9:15. That 50, this FVG here, this fair value gap here. It would have been an entry for you. So you can just find a way to join. Yup. Let me go back to go. What do we have here? Have we gotten our fair value gap? No, no fair value gap yet. Let me go to the 5 minutes so I don't make the same mistake as yesterday, not checking multiple time frames. GBP AUD. Somebody said GBP AUD. Somebody said I should check GBP AUD. Webcam. I'm not. GBP AUD. I'm not going to do top down analysis here because there's no more time. That's why you guys should try to be suggesting it here early enough. If you would have suggested your USD early enough, if you would have suggested your USD early enough, yeah, you would have gotten that sell setup I pointed out. Okay, but GBP AUD. What are my thoughts? Okay. I'm seeing a sell from here right now. But this will be an aggressive sell. But if you want to wait for a confirmation, you simply have to wait for it to take out this low. Then you wait for a retracement, then you sell. But if you are framing two setups, you just have to wait for this high to get taken out, then retracement, then you buy. Okay, I'm getting a lot of WhatsApp message. Thank you all for wishing me happy birthday. Um, yeah, I really appreciate. Made it straight hit CP. Let me do giveaway. XAUUSD. Let's see. Okay, we have still not taken out the high. Okay, we have taken it out. I've taken out the high. It's just that there's no gap. There's no gap yet. There's no gap yet. I swear, I wish there was a gap, man. And there'll be a gap in the 1 minute. There'll be a fair value. I know there's a 1 minute fair value gap, but I've stopped using 1 minute fair value gaps. Yeah, what's up? You said? Give me like 5 minutes. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I did my house, so this is not my personal house, so I can get a lot of disturb sometimes. I still feel like we're going to go up Formula Favor Liga and we're going to see a setup. So everybody just remain calm. Today looks good again. Today looks nice, nice, nice. Nice. I just the observe. So in the next four minutes, I should be ending the live stream because it's about 56 minutes in now. So I don't like to stay more than 1 hour because I have a lot of things to do. Let's just let it get to 1 hour. So if we just the gist. What else do I have to talk about, man? Oh, it's so cute. Okay. The setup is forming. You see how is the giveaway gonna be? Basically, I don't think I should. I don't. I'm not. Maybe I'll do it online. You get or not? But I feel like maybe just withdrawing like some cash, maybe like 20K cash or like 10K cash, and just go to like any rough place like that. Just like how this guy used to do. I don't know. There's some I think some traders like that. You just go and give people that need it. You get like maybe somebody that is carrying block or something. That you know that is his entire day. They are going to pay him 2K. So you just give him the 2K like that. Urgent 2K or 3K or maybe somebody shout on the street. It will be more appreciated. You understand? All of my idea, I guess so. To the watch live stream, most people don't even have. They don't even get phone. I guess so. Most people they don't even get phone. They're even struggling to eat. So I think those people appreciate it more. Like not like about appreciation, but it will be of more use to them. So that's why I feel like doing, and I'll probably do it. Then you all will see the video on my channel. Yeah, I think I'll just do a video. So anybody that sees it will have that kind of mindset to help people to help people. So I think the reason why I'm even doing it self is because I think I saw somebody doing it. So if that person never uploaded the video of how he helped those people that needed the money the most, I would have probably never thought of it. So it the thing that people say that if you are giving out to people, you should hide it. I don't really believe in that. I believe you should show it, but not like showing it in a like proud way, but showing it in a way to let people do the same. Just to spread the word that okay, this is what I'm doing. I think you should do it. If a lot of people do that, yeah, everyone will be a better place. You got all these comments too funny. I wish grandpa they used to watch your live stream. I don't get phones. uh okay, nice. So gold is going down. Anyhow, it's not yet 11 o'clock. The setup usually comes by 11:30. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not going to wait. Yep. I'm gonna be updating you guys on the Telegram, on my Telegram. So let me drop the link to the Telegram again in the comments. So all the updates will be dropped there. Hopefully we should be able to back something today. So It's been over an hour now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, and I'll drop the updates on Telegram. Peace.